Alright, so now we're going to open our file in Photoshop. And what we want to do is we want to drag both of our mask layers on top. So these are the texture layers that we made in the previous tutorial. We just drag them on top. And so for the first one, we want to change this to multiply. And then we'll rasterize the layer. As you can see, this accentuates a lot of the shadows and creates some more depth in the image. But as you can tell in some areas it doesn't look very realistic, so we want to turn the opacity down. And we'll create a mask. And then in the mask layer, using the brush tool, we'll be able to remove some of the parts that don't look realistic. So we'll set it to black, and see along some of these parts we'll just turn the opacity down. We can just brush away some of these additional shadows. And then we'll do the same thing for the finer details. And there we have it, there's our image. And additionally, we can use the camera raw filter just to make some final adjustments to the image. However, if we put our settings in VRAY correctly, there shouldn't be too much need to adjust this. I always bump the clarity up just a little bit to give it a slightly more realistic look. And there's the end result.